Hi, grade 10 students. So our topic for today is all about arithmetic means, and arithmetic means is under arithmetic sequence. So when we say arithmetic sequence, they have common difference. Okay, so again, when we say arithmetic sequence, they have common difference. So what is the meaning of arithmetic means naman po kaya? So ano naman po kaya yung hahanapin natin kapag sinabi nating arithmetic means? So in arithmetic means, we have arithmetic extremes. So what is the arithmetic extremes? The first and the last terms of a finite arithmetic sequence. So what does it mean? For example, we have, in illustrating this arithmetic means, for example, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So as you can see in this sequence, we have 5 terms. So when we say arithmetic extremes, the first and the last terms. So when we say the first and the last terms, we have 4 and 20 as our arithmetic extremes. So yan po ang tinatawag nating arithmetic extremes, the first and the last terms. And when we say arithmetic means, the terms in between the arithmetic extremes. So yung gitna or yung nasa gitna ng dalawang arithmetic extremes. So what are they? So what are they po? So sila po ay si 8, si 12, and si 16. Yan po yung tinatawag nating arithmetic means. So, when we say, class, if we have two given arithmetic means or arithmetic extremes, and ang kinukuha lang po ay yung nasa center nila. Halimbawa, isa lang po yung pinapakuha sa kanila. For example, this one, we have 4, 8, and 12. So in this example of arithmetic sequence, di ba sinasabi po natin that the first and the last term, siya po si arithmetic extremes or the extreme numbers. So si 8 po ang tinatawag nating mean. Okay, yung arithmetic mean. So kapag po isa lang ang hinahanap natin, yung nasa gitna or isang term lang po ang hinahanap natin sa arithmetic mean, ito pong term na ito ay tinatawag nating average. Average of the two numbers or average of the two extreme numbers. Kapag po isa lang ang hinahanap. Okay, yan po yung tinatawag nating average na may formula na ang formula po ng average mean natin, average mean ay the last term which is a sub 1 plus a sub n over 2. Yan po yung formula in finding the average of one sequence of one arithmetic sequence. Kapag po tatlo lang ang given number at kapag po isa lang ang pinapahanap na mean. Okay? So, what is a sub 1? Okay, so a sub 1 is the first term and a sub n is the last term. Okay, the value of the last term. Okay, kapag sinabi nating a sub 1, this is the first term, the value of the first term, and a sub n is the value of the last term. Okay, so don't forget that. And you always, you need to divide them by 2. Take note, kapag po isa lang ang pinapahanap na mean. Okay, yung average mean lang po ang pinapahanap. So, ma'am, how about, sige, let's have an example about this po. Okay? Okay, for example, we have this problem or problem question. We have, what is the arithmetic mean between 10 and 24? So, when we say arithmetic mean, tapos wala naman po silang sinasabi kung ilan po yung hahanapin nating arithmetic or the mean of an arithmetic, ibig sabihin po niyan, isa lang po yung hahanapin natin. Okay, what is the arithmetic mean between 10 and 24? First thing you need to do is to illustrate the problem or to illustrate the sequence. So 10 and 24. Automatically, 10 is the first term and 24 is the last term. So as we write this down, we have 10. then the mean or the missing mean or the missing term, and 24. Take note, 10 is the first term and 24 is the last term. Kapag isusulat natin siya, 10 is a sub 1, the missing term is a sub 2, and the last term is a sub 3. And we denoted the mean as m sub 1. Ma'am, bakit po m sub 1? Kasi yan po yung unang mean na kukuhanin natin. Hindi po mean si 10 and si 24. They are the extreme numbers. Okay, so again, nasa middle or between the extreme numbers po, yun po yung tinatawag nating arithmetic mean. Kaya kung ano po yung una nating hahanapin, yun po ay m sub 1. Okay po. So now, let's find the problem or the solution problem of this example. So, m sub 1, syempre po, m sub 1 ang kukuhanin natin. Katulad po ng ginawa ko po sa inyo kanina, yung kapag po meron tayong 2 given and 1 missing mean lang po ang hinahanap natin, ang gagamitin po nating formula ay a sub 1 plus a sub n over 2. Okay, using this formula, we have a sub 1 plus a sub n over 2. So what is m sub 1 or what is the value of a sub 1? So we have 10 plus the value of a sub n, which is the last term. The value of the last term, we have a sub, we have 24. Okay, 10 plus 24 over 2. Okay, so 10 plus 24 is 34 over 2. So your mean or the first mean is equal to 34 divided by 2 is 17. Okay, so the value of our arithmetic mean or the average mean is 17. Okay, nakukuha po. Okay, so let's try another example. Okay, so let's try another example. Okay, another example. Insert 3 arithmetic means between 5 and 20. Okay, as we illustrate this sequence, we have 5, sige, 5, then 3 arithmetic means, so 1, 2, 3, and the last term is 20. Okay, kapag isusulat po natin yan as the terms, we have a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, and a sub 5. Okay, kapag missing means naman po ang hinahanap natin, we have m sub 1, m sub 2, and m sub 3. Okay, so ma'am, ano na pong gagawin namin dyan? Okay, kasi nga po, di ba yung binigay mong example is for only one mean. Okay, isa lang po yung hinahanap yun. Pwede pa rin po ba namin magamit ang ating formula na a sub 1 plus a sub n over 2? No, not yet. Ma'am, bakit po? Kasi po, wala pa tayong common difference. Okay? So, hindi po natin ma-identify kung ano po yung common difference ng ating arithmetic sequence. So, first thing we need to do is to get the difference or the common difference of this arithmetic sequence. Okay? So, paano ba natin kinukuha yung paano ba natin kinukuha yung common difference? So, we have the general rule, the general rule of our arithmetic sequence. We have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, so we need to find the common difference as d. Tama po. So, we need to insert this out. Okay, as katulad po ng sinabi ko kanina, a sub n is the value of the last term. Value a sub 1 is the value of the first term, and n is the place, okay, kung pang ilan po yung last term. Okay, kung pang ilan si last term, ito siya. Ito kasi yun class. Okay? Kung pang ilan po si last term. Okay, and the D is the common difference. Okay, so ma'am, yan lang po ba yung formula in finding the common difference? Meron pa po tayong isang formula in finding the common difference. But I want you to use this formula in getting the common difference of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so mas gusto ko itong gamitin nyo. Okay, so ma'am, paano po yan gagamitin? Okay, so first we need to write the general rule for us to get the common difference. Okay, para hindi po kayo nalilito. Mas gusto ko pong kinukuha ninyo sinusulat po natin ang ating formula. So we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the n term minus 1 times d. Okay, what is the value of a sub n? So we have 20, the last term, is equal to the value of a sub 1, we have 5, plus, pang ilan ba si n term? Or ano yung last term natin? We have a sub 5, so 5 siya, minus 1 times the common difference. Okay, so now, you need to transpose positive 5 to the left side. Okay, so it will become 20 minus 5 is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4 times d is 4d. Okay, so 20 minus 5 is 15. Tama po? So 15, it will give us 15. Okay, and then 4 times d. Okay, divide both sides by 4 for you to get the value of d. Okay, 15 divided by 4 cannot be. So 15 over 4 is equal to d. Okay, so the common difference is 15 over 4. So ma'am, paano po namin makukuha si m sub 1, m sub 2, and m sub 3? Okay, using the formula m sub 1 is equal to a sub 1 plus d. Okay, so m sub 2 is equal to a sub 2 plus d. M sub 3 is equal to a sub 3 plus d. Okay, para hindi po kayo nalilito. Okay, so now let's find the value of m sub 1, m sub 2, and m sub 3. So m sub 1 is equal to a sub 1 plus d. Write the formula. Then a sub 1 is equal to 5 plus the common difference. It will give us 15 over 4. Okay, so paano nyo po kukuhanin yung LCD niyan or least common denominator? Okay, kapag po isa lang naman po ang ating denominator at meron tayong 1 dyan, automatically 4 is our common denominator. So 4 divided by 1 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 15 is 15. Okay, so the value of m sub 1 is equal to 20 plus 15 is 35 over 4. So m sub 1 is equal to 35 over 4. Okay, so now let's proceed to m sub 2. So we have m sub 2 is equal to the formula a sub 2 plus d. What is the value of a sub 2? We have 35 over 4 plus the common difference, which is 15 over 4. Okay, so if we have same common denominator, just copy the denominator, then add the numerator. 35 plus 15, it will give us 50 over 4. So simplify these two numbers. Pwede ba natin siyang i-simplify? Okay, we can divide them by 2. Tama po. So divided by 2, it will give us 25 over 2. Okay, so the value of m sub 2 is 25 over 2. Okay, so now let's proceed to m sub 3. Okay, wag po kayong malilito. Gamit ako ng ibang color. Okay, so m sub 3 is equal to a sub 2 plus d. Okay, what is the value of a sub 2? We have, a sub 3 rather. Okay, what is the value of a sub 3? We have 25 over 2 plus 15 over 4. Okay, so what is the common difference or what is the common denominator of these two numbers? Least common denominator, we have positive 4. Okay, ma'am, bakit po positive 4? Para po ma-divide natin si 4 kay 4 and ma-divide natin si 2 kay 4. Okay, so 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 25 is 50. Okay, that is 50 plus 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 15 is 15. So it will give us 50 times 15 is 50 plus 15 is 65 over 4. Okay, so meron ba siyang pwede ba natin siyang i-simplify? Okay, hindi na. So the answer is 65 over 4. Thus, the mean, okay, so thus 35 over 4, 25 over 2, and 65 over 4 are the arithmetic mean of 5 and 20. Okay, so yan na po yan. Okay, naiintindihan po? Okay, so that's all for today, grade 10. Ganyan lang po kumuha ng arithmetic mean ng isang arithmetic sequence. Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye and God bless po. See you in our next video. God bless.